Hi guys, so today we are playing pillow fight. Okay. This will be his, and this Barbie wala will be mine. Okay. I starting in front of you. 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, we are ending this challenge because this got a little too crocky. Then we thought, literally see the mess. Literally see the mess. How it happened. So we are ending this video here. Thank you and bye bye.